Huawei Honor Play, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the phone's dialer, and let's start with the first secret code. So let me open the project menu. Let's use *## 284659 #*#. That's it, the project menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here background settings. Here you can change background debug. You can select USB port. You can also go back and choose here, for example, veneer information. Here you can get access to version info, for example, the bootloader version, CP version, AP. You can also here read other info, or for example, the manufacturer info. That's it. You can also here check out network information query. Here you've got two important things. You can check out SIM lock status. In my case, my SIM lock status is deactive. You can also read the vendor country info. And you may also go back to check out the following options, such as software upgrade. You can try to update your device by using your memory card. You can also accomplish the hard reset by choosing restore factory, or you can choose battery charge to read the battery level and battery temperature. Let's go back, and now it's time to enter the about phone information. So let's use this code *## 0000 ****. That's it, about phone just pops up. Here you can read the build number, email info, and other stuff. You can also go back, and here you can open calendar information. Let's use just **** 225 ****. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up, so here you can read a few interesting things from your calendar. You can also go back and use the Google Play Service Mode, so let's use **** 426 ****. As you can see, the following menu pops up, so you can read the Google Play Services information, and at the end you can also check out the email number by using the secret code. So let's use *##06#, and here you can get access to email info and serial number. Tap OK to close this window, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.